This is the Madison College Writing Center's 2-Minute Tutors. I'm Kate Stover.
And I'm Suzanne Triber, and today we will answer the question, how do we use apostrophes?
During the next 2 minutes, let's focus on the two main uses of apostrophes.
Apostrophes are used to contract words and to indicate possession.
Apostrophes are hard-working punctuation marks.
They sure are. How about we look at some examples of just how much they can do for writers, Kate?
Okay, let's start with contractions. If I type you have, I can contract those two words into one by deleting the HA and creating the word you've.
Right. The apostrophe replaces the missing letters. Here are two more examples of how to contract words using an apostrophe.
Contractions are most often used in informal writing and in conversations.
Well, now let's talk about when an apostrophe is used to indicate possession.
We use an apostrophe to shorten phrases such as the bone of the dog or the project of the students. But let's talk more about these examples.
Of course. In the first example, we have one dog. In other words, the noun is singular, so the apostrophe goes in front of the S, like this. Then in the second example, we have more than one student. In other words, the noun is plural. With the S already there, just add the apostrophe after the S.
Think of it this way. Most of the time, singular nouns add an apostrophe S, and plural nouns add an apostrophe.
Kate, you know what I'm thinking about?
I bet, the common problems.
That's exactly right. Let's look at a couple.
Yeah, like when a plural noun doesn't end in S, like women or children or people. In these cases, you need to add an apostrophe S.
Another common problem is with decades and acronyms.
For example, 1950s and CPAs. Both of these are plural nouns, not possessive nouns, so no apostrophe is needed.
All right, it's time to practice. Pause this video and add the apostrophes in the correct locations.
Here are the answers. In the first sentence, there is has been contracted to theirs, so we add an apostrophe where the letter I used to be.
In the second sentence, the apostrophe is used to indicate possession. When deciding the correct location of the apostrophe, we need to know whether the noun is singular or plural.
So, if the writer is talking about one photographer, then we must use an apostrophe S.
But if the writer is referring to more than one photographer, then the noun is plural. So, just add the apostrophe after the S. Phew! I'm as tired as the apostrophe is. How about you, Kate?
I'm glad our work here is done, Suzanne.
Right on, Kate.
Right on, Suzanne, and thank you all for joining us.